Hi everyone, my name is Becca Puglisi, and I'm one of the creators of One Stop for Writers, a unique library that contains one-of-a-kind resources and tools you can use to take your fiction to the next level. One thing we really believe at One Stop is that your writing time is valuable. We want you spending as much time as possible actually writing. So we've designed this site to make it super easy for you to navigate and find everything you need to help you brainstorm, write, and revise a novel, or a short story, screenplay, even a gaming script. Let me take you on a short tour. After you log in, you'll be taken to this homepage where you can access all the tools and resources with these drop-down menu options. You'll see a snapshot of the last items you worked on so you can pick up right where you left off. And it's easy to stay in the loop about new developments because we're always adding helpful tools. If you want to invest some time into strengthening your craft, our tutorials contain deep-level discussions on the most important topics of storytelling. Everything at the site is built to help you elevate your skills because we don't only want to help you write a story. We want you to write the very best story you're capable of. This is also why the Writers Helping Writers blog is accessible right from the homepage. It contains over 12 years of writing craft advice from some of the best coaches around. Together, Writers Helping Writers and One Stop for Writers provide the knowledge you need to master storytelling. One Stop contains the largest fiction-specific description database found anywhere online. As you can see, there are many topics covered in this thesaurus. This means that whether you're writing or revising, you won't run out of ideas for building and describing your characters, writing emotionally charged scenes, and crafting rich, layered worlds that your readers won't want to leave. These thesauruses were created by Angela Ackerman and me, and some of them you may recognize, like the Emotion Thesaurus. This is a show-don't-tell staple for writers and editors, and you'll find it here at One Stop. In fact, you can find all the thesauruses Angela and I have created here, oftentimes expanded and enhanced since we aren't limited by page counts. Each thesaurus covers a specific element of description in great detail, helping you see the different ways that topic can power up your scene, so readers will feel like they're right there with your characters, sharing their experiences. The Emotion Thesaurus, for instance, highlights 130 iconic emotions and explores how to describe them through a character's body language, behavior, and dialogue cues. It also delves into a range of visceral sensations they might experience, the mental responses that accompany an emotion, and more. Many of our thesaurus entries are linked, making it easy to get to related information that you might need. You can even personalize any entry by adding your own notes. These lists of descriptive ideas are perfect for kickstarting your imagination, so your writing stays fresh and fits each scene, situation, and character. Having this database at your fingertips means you're writing more. Your description is deepening your characters and pushing the story forward, and you won't be left staring at the screen wondering what to write next. We also have a collection of tip sheets and a number of worksheets to help you brainstorm the deeper layers of your story and characters. Explore their fears, create a backstory emotional wound profile, or plot out how their emotions will escalate in a tense scene. It's up to you. You'll also find innovative planning tools such as timelines, scene maps, and story maps for planning your story structure at the macro and micro levels. If you struggle with structure, don't worry. We have step-by-step help to lead you through all the nuts and bolts so you'll be plotting up a storm in no time. One Stop for Writers has many other incredible tools, such as our idea generator, world-building surveys, and a hyper-intelligent character builder that draws on the power of our signature thesaurus database, aiding in the creation of characters that have deep motivations, compelling backstories, and complex emotional needs. This powerful tool collects key pieces of information that you've gathered for your character and creates an individualized character arc blueprint just for them. Then you can use that blueprint to plan and write the most difficult part of a story, the character's internal journey through struggle, change, and growth. If you'd like more information on this tool and all the amazing things it can do, visit the Character Builder in the stacks and watch the video walkthrough. Another can't live without resource is the Storyteller's Roadmap. It walks you step by step through the story writing process, starting with that first nugget of an idea all the way to a ready-to-publish manuscript. In the planning stage, use it to design your world, assemble the cast, even outline your story. When you're ready to start drafting, the roadmap helps you set deadlines and word count goals, limit distractions, and navigate many of the problems that are common on this leg of the journey. And then there's revision, which can be daunting for many writers. But the roadmap's got you covered here too, breaking the process into manageable revision rounds, letting you know exactly what you'll want to address in each one. And if you need a little more help with any aspect of storytelling, the roadmap contains plenty of links enabling you to dive deeper into those areas. Every writer at One Stop has their own creativity desk called My Workspace. This is where your work is saved. It's easy to organize your maps, character profiles, surveys, notes, worksheets, and bookmarks into folders that are tied to each of your novels so you can quickly find what you're looking for. When you're ready to create any new item at One Stop, click the Create button and choose what you'd like to work on. Just follow the instructions and start creating. Our tools are pretty flexible and can be used in imaginative ways. Some of them, like timelines, have drag and drop capabilities, meaning you can move the tiles around into whatever order works best. This is a great way to storyboard a new plot, list the order of crime scenes in a novel, track the towns your hero might visit on his adventure, and much more. One Stop for Writers makes an ideal creativity partner for your favorite writing platform. Keep the site open on split screen and bring up Word so you can view the site and your work in progress at the same time. You can also generate PDFs for your items and save them to your computer to be used offline. Or export your work in a number of formats, maybe to your favorite writing software like Scrivener. Hopefully, this tour has given you a better idea of the resources waiting for you at One Stop for Writers. If you need any help or have questions, use the Connect menu and a librarian like me will be in touch. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you around One Stop.